Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Nordic Track T-Series treadmills. Nordic Track's folding treadmill is a favorite for saving space and maximizing cardio sessions. Each machine comes with a touchscreen display with a library of on-demand workouts to choose from. From its flexible, cushiony track to its incline control, it has all the bells and whistles you want in a treadmill, plus a foldable design. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With iFit, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. Our cushioning allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. Equipped with self-cooling technology, this powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training, from heat workouts to endurance runs. Stream high-energy live and on-demand studio classes led by elite iFit trainers in a motivating and empowering atmosphere anytime you want. Our second best folding treadmill for small space is Urivo 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill. Urivo running machine is designed as a treadmill used for running fast as well as under-desk walking machine, which is convenient to keep exercising during working. Making running or walking on this treadmill more freely. 5 layers non-slip running belt and silica gel column support will greatly absorb shock to provide cushioning for knee, muscle and joints. Making running or walking on this treadmill more freely. 5 layers non-slip running belt and silica gel column support will greatly absorb shock to provide cushioning for knee, muscle and joints. With a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor offering large load-bearing ability up to 265 pounds. This sturdy running machine allows you to run up to 7.6 miles per hour with frame up and walk up to 3.8 miles per hour under desk by the remote control. Foldable design and transportation wheels allow for easy mobility and portable foldable treadmill for storage, fold it up and walk away in one easy step, perfect for home, apartment, office use. Third choice in our list is Xterra Fitness TR150 folding treadmill. Specifically designed for the home environment, the TR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. Start on the road to fitness today with the Xterra TR150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. Smooth and quiet high torque 2.25 horsepower motor powers the treadmill at speeds from 0 to 10 miles per hour. 3 levels of manual incline help you control the intensity of your workout, while a durable heavy gauge steel frame provides smooth performance for a calorie-burning workout. The easy-to-read display with a simple, intuitive interface puts your most important stats like time, speed, distance, and calories front and center. 12 preset programs provide challenging variation to keep your workouts effective and engaging. Preset speed buttons are located on the console for direct and easy updates. Extra soft cushion deck technology for maximum impact absorption keeps joints safe and workouts comfortable. For added convenience, an integrated book rack and accessory holder keep your reading material, remote control and anything else you want close by. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is City Sports Portable Treadmill. City Sports' brand goal is to help more and more people find the simple way to do indoor exercises. Small and portable and desk treadmill is the new fashion trend. This walking pad is well made, comfortable running belt, slim design, strong and durable, adopts aerospace grade magnesium aluminum alloy frame. 2.25 horsepower motor provides the stable power and 0.6 to 4 miles per hour adjustable speed. Also ultra quiet and shock absorption, walking or jogging silently without disturbing your family and colleagues. Equipped with dual LED display, which help track your exercise status in real time. Connect treadmill with cell phone via Bluetooth to jogging or walking with music. Let's get started now. Revolutionary, cost effective, energy saving, and environmental protection, only cost less 10 cents. Unique powerful mute motor. From novice to veteran can use in multi-scenes, enhancing physical, emotional health. Walking pad owns unibody aerospace grade magnesium aluminum alloy frame, meaning carry greater load up to 265 pounds. Under desk treadmill equipping low profile deck for easy get on or down and wider side standing harness maximizes safety. 2-in-1 walking and running machine is practical, 0.6 miles per hour to 4 miles per hour, monitor your distance, speed, time and calories in real time. The 7-layer noise reduction, non-slip and shock absorbing running belt has a spacious space to ensure workout freely. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best folding treadmill for small space list is Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill features 9 built-in workout programs, handrail controls, and phone or tablet holder that will add comfort and accessibility during any workout routine. The soft drop system will assist you in unfolding the treadmill, avoiding a big slam or damage to your wood or carpet floor. It features a digital monitor that tracks your speed, time, distance, pulse and calories, which makes it easier to track your fitness goals. With the latest technology, this treadmill offers user-friendly control keys right at your fingertips. Start, stop, and adjust your speed with the built-in handrail controls. Personalize the level of intensity of your workout with 3 different manual incline positions. Simulate running uphill and get those legs burning. Place your mobile device on the integrated device holder. Follow along to your favorite fitness apps or get professional tips and lessons from our certified Sunny Health and Fitness trainers through online training videos. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, this treadmill is designed to support long-lasting and vigorous workouts. The soft drop hydraulic mechanism assures safe, hands-free unfolding. No longer will you fear scuffing your floors when dropping your treadmill's base. Simply tilt and roll out for use or away for storage, no need for heavy lifting or muscle strain. The wheels at the front of the unit allow the user to move their equipment around with ease. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.